Okay, so to make a master template where you can put all the files that you already processed, the idea is to open the ones that are already being processed, um, open them all in Photoshop again. So you're going to have several folders in each of them. And for that, you wanted to make a new folder. In this case, it's better if you have 300 ppi and you make a big file. Visual is in RGB and 8 bytes. For here, we are going to do something similar. We're going to do the duplicate layer and we're going to put it in the last one, in this case. Then after we paste it, we can delete it. If we have everything done, it's similar there. Similar there. So now we're going to have in this one 3 files with each, all of them should have their own name. And if we in the select, we have group, not layer. As a group, we can move them by folder and organize in some way that it is good for us. Let's suppose that one of them is a wall tab. If we put the T as the text folder, we can start writing there anything that we wanted to have it done. Whenever we have it like this, what we can add is any new file that we have. There is a wall type, can be go down here, and it's going to be having the requirements and anything that is there you already set. So you can start removing some of the channels and play with them. Okay.